All right, at the start of the hour, the Dow was looking to make a comeback. I think we were down just about 44 points, but now we're falling more than 100 points, had been down 280. So what is it? Is it the growing tariff tensions? Is it the expiration of a whole bunch of options and futures for triple or quadruple witching? How should you play this market? Let's bring in Chris Zaccarelli. He's Chief Investment Officer of Independent Advisor Alliance, $2.5 billion in assets under management. Let's spin it forward to Monday, Chris, please. Will there be a hangover from the tariff discussion war? Because China's calling it a war now.
Yeah, I think, tariffs are definitely going to weigh on the markets. Personally, I think we need to look beyond it. I think what we're seeing right now is just a negotiating tactic, and I think there will be a back and forth between the U.S. and China, and we are going to see some market volatility because of that. But looking through it, I think it's a negotiating tactic, and if things did spiral out of control, at some point they could always walk it back. And I don't think the president wants to take the economy into a recession. He's pretty proud of what he's done so far and what he's accomplished with his program of policies, and I don't think he'd want to ruin it.
I may be wrong. I'm predicting a win. I think he in the United States wins this, whatever you want to call it, because we had Gordon Chang saying China needs us more than we need China. Soybeans, not so much. Soybean farmers are probably complaining. It's falling about 1.5% right now for soybeans because it's going to be more for Chinese to buy them. But let's just get to how you view the investor and what the investor should be doing.
Well, if you're an investor, you really want to take advantage of any possibilities of getting some of these pullbacks, and you want to look at what's going to work over the long term. So, technology's been working really well, but look at those big themes. Look at cloud computing, look at internet security, look at what's happening with the mobilization of most of our both phones and computers, and looking at the Internet of Things. You really got the semiconductors to work with. You've got biotechnology, which is going to be the advance of the future. And finally, you've got financials. And I think you want to look in all three of those spaces if you get any opportunities with this market volatility.
Chris Zaccarelli, thanks so much.